My name is Lydia, and today we will be talking about how you can fire or dismiss your employees in a diplomatic way. You need to have everything in order before actually dismissing the employee. If it's done hastily, without taking the necessary steps, it can lead to a very uncomfortable situation for everyone involved. Letting go of a problem employee is definitely easier said than done. Before you fire someone, make sure you have everything in order and are going about the process in the right way. Firing someone too hastily or without taking the proper steps could lead to an uncomfortable situation or even legal issues that could damage your business. The best thing to do is have a conversation with this individual and express your concerns. Give them the opportunity to realize on their own that perhaps this isn't the best fit. Practice what you plan to say to the employee and have all the required documentation in order so that you can make the process as smooth as possible. If you're afraid that your nerves will get in the way, jot down a few talking points. Plan the date, time, and place. When firing an employee, you need to focus on specific facts and not attack the employee as a person. You also need to follow laws specific for your region for notice and, in some instances, severance pay. A termination should never come as a surprise to an employee. The employee should have been receiving constant and real-time feedback from management all along. It's always best to have a second employee sit in on the meeting with you when dismissing someone. Often, this is someone from human resources who already has experience in employment termination. Prior to the meeting, brief the individual or provide them with the written reports to ensure they understand the situation. In addition to having another individual who hears everything that is said in the employment termination, this also has the benefit of assisting an inexperienced manager since the HR person can help keep the discussion on track and move it toward completion. Furthermore, the HR person will ensure that the employee is treated fairly and with professionalism. It helps limit your organization's liability when firing an employee. If you don't have an HR department, any other employee can serve as a witness. They will also be able to assist if you find yourself in a situation where the terminated employee refuses to sign and acknowledge documents. While firing an employee is usually not an easy decision, there are various instances that justify it. You can fire employees due to poor performance, misleading or unethical behavior or statements, property damage, or violations of company policy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Profit Brain.